Today's episode of CEAZ the Building, we are going to be patching this hole right here. This actually came from a vanity in a bathroom, and what happened was they had to get back here and replace this valve in order for the shower to work properly. So they gave me a call to come through and patch this up. So it's another hole on the other side as well, but we'll see what we can do with this bad boy first. So, I don't know if you recognize or not, but I kind of cleared a couple screws and nails out. Got a good clean workspace. And then I added a couple pieces of wood to help my connection to the drywall. So far so good. So, drywall went in there pretty decent. Got a lot of finishing work to do. Now it's time to paint.